everybody, today it's like 6 a.m. right now. We are going to Texas 2K. If you didn't know, I'm from Canada. This is like a 23-hour drive. However, I'm not driving the M2. I'm gonna be going in Owen/Ghost Automotive's Focus RS, and he should be pulling out very soon. Max and Victor are also coming, and they're driving Victor's M3. You're not going? Why not?
Wasn't invited. Someone has to work.
Our first stop is Nashville, which is 11 hours in. Let's see if we can get into the country. Okay, we got through. Now we're just waiting for Victor to come through. And also, I realized my passport was expired like 3 days ago, and somehow I was lucky enough to get it expedited. Yesterday, I went at like 11 a.m. and I had a new passport in hand by 3 p.m., which is crazy. Just like that, we're in a new country, man. Now there's a little bit of light. Let me show you the cars that we're driving in. We got Owen's Focus RS, which is what I'm riding in, and Victor's F80 M3, which is what Max is riding in. He just powder coated his wheels white, and honestly, it looks pretty fire. White on white, you don't see it too often. It's kind of hard to make these look bad though, so I can't give him too much credit. And you really don't see too many of these anymore, so it's pretty fun to drive around in this. And the Focus is stage 2, I think. It's full bolt-on, it's on air suspension. It sounds pretty cool. The turbo sound is so loud, it makes so many cool noises on the inside. I just want to document this here. This is Victor's new front lip. I want you guys to comment if you think this is going to last the whole trip. I think at some point on this drive there and back, it's not going to make it. It sounds so good.
Misfired like 8 times in a row, bro. Holy f***.
No, I heard it, I know.
It's like pop, 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 pop.
We've had good luck with people not camping in the left lane and moving over right away, but these 2 trucks are fully just stopping this whole highway right now.
Look at the traffic behind me. We're turning the camera.
Yeah.
No one in front of them.
Everybody's trying to go. We can't go.
Wow!
12 hours later, we've made it to Nashville. The cars are still in one piece, except for Victor's diffuser. No, it's been hanging on for its dear life.
Yeah, pull that shit.
I mean, you can see this was just bouncing around the whole time. We're meeting up with somebody that reached out to Victor. They apparently have some crazy car collection. I've heard a lot of hype about it, so we're gonna see what he's talking about. First car isn't even part of the collection, but it is an M3 CS, so goddamn. Thank you. Bro, these tips are huge. I love like the red on the badging too.
Yeah.
It's such a small but like powerful look.
Yeah.
This is OEM too. OEM carbon hood. Like paint matched here, and then I guess it fades into that, and then this red stripe is like an add-on, I guess, that you can do, but it looks so aggressive. Oh my god. Playing with G Series. No, I'm talking to them.
Stop glazing.
Okay, it sucks. We just got to the super secret location with all the cars, which I'm not gonna leak where it is, but I can oh my god. So I wasn't allowed to record all the cars that were there, but this is what I was allowed to show you. And like this Viper ACR has 17 miles on it. We have an old Ford GT, a new Ford GT, and a Carrera GT. And we also have this Aventador SV, which he started up for us. You can see 2 more Lambos next to him. You're gonna see those in another minute, but god damn! So due to privacy reasons, I can't actually show a lot of the cars that are in here, and this is the most ridiculous car collection I've ever seen. I can only show the yellow cars, which is who you know, the friend that we're here with owns. And the SV startup you just heard, I think he's actually gonna take it out and drive it around with us. This is insane. There's only 20 of these?
And you guys got a location on one?
No, we didn't get this new.
Oh, you gonna do that?
They're supposed to be like similar speed, but it feels so much faster than the SV.
Really?
It feels like weird.
Wakey, today I'm gonna be driving. Owen is gonna sit aside. He might have had too much to drink last night. I'm taking the keys, I'm getting behind the wheel of the Focus. Hopefully I didn't forget how to drive manual. Let's go knock out this 10-hour drive. Super fun car to drive. This makes what, 350 wheel? 500, 600 wheel horsepower cars, you really can't enjoy them that well on the street. This car, it's still like fast. You can still enjoy the power band, you know, with like beyond 2 to 3 seconds. This car makes all the right noises. The exhaust sounds great. I don't know if you're gonna really hear it on camera, but like the spooling, like it's so addicting. Just gas and let off. I don't know how well it's gonna pick it up. Like it just sounds. Oh, I love it. And that right there. I hope they can hear that too. Oh, dude, the pops after are like. Okay, we got backfires too. We got an update on Victor's M3. I was wrong about the front lip. His diffuser, on the other hand, as you can see, did not survive.
It's in my hand.
This thing was loose from the start and it just got worse and worse. So we're deciding to take it off now so it doesn't fly off and probably hit us or someone else. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. The 23-hour drive has been complete. We're all settled in at the house. Who is this?
Jake.
Jake Schnatter. Is it true that your M4 motor is blown?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Well, one of them is. The other one's working.
When's the new rebuild going to be done?
September. I'm in upgraded turbos for this motor.
Did you post that already? Oh. I thought I was getting the inside scoop first. I'm also staying with Remy. This
Boo.
is. Oh, boo. No, this is not boo. This is He's been helping me out a lot with my Honda, all my questions and stuff.
Oh, I thought you were Victor. Sorry.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's f***ed up. That's actually a
Well, I was looking down.
That's a big insult. I'm going to have to end this conversation now. These are the guys that are having us out. MNM Eventz. They're also hosting this after party. As you can see, this is the van we're pretty much all rolling around in. We met up with Quiet yesterday. Wait. Show them my hoodie. Not yours.
Show mine first.
Okay, I'll show yours first. Guys, come get him. This guy runs from the police.
I freaking run from the police.
He gave me a Fierce Fuchsia matched.
Quiet hoodie. Oh yeah. That's
You guys think it fits really good? This is a double XL.
It actually doesn't even fit you too bad.
Because I'm low-key thick. Anyways, we're going to have some breakfast and then we're going to go to the track.
Go for the front.
Huh?
Listen to the horn.
The horn?
Yeah.
Stinky! Oh my god! Well, we made it to Texas Motorplex. What is that? What was that? Is that a two-door G-Wagon? We got turbos in the front bumper already. One of the guys that we're with just told us that 1500 wheel here is slow. And that's just ridiculous. I've never even been in a car over 1000 wheel, or even, I don't even know if I've been in a car that is 1000 wheel, but 1000 wheel back home in Canada is fast as hell. Here, that's slow? I believe it though. I mean, we got 2 GTRs over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twin turbo R8. Oh my god. Like, you looking at these cars stock, they're fast. But this is a whole different goddamn league.
Of a second, a new world record at 234 miles an hour.
6.4.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, setting the record even lower.
World record. This is one of my favorite cars here. This is from the R44 Performance. It's a all-wheel drive swap from the G82. This car makes like 1300 wheel. Right-hand drive because it's from the UK. I don't know if you can see through the glass, but what a freaking awesome car to see, man. All-wheel drive M2. America.
What's that?
Max is considering buying a turbo right now. Since we're in the States, you're going to save on shipping, more taxes, duties, all that stuff, import fees, tariffs, whatever. And it's event pricing, so it's a bit cheaper. We just left the track and we're going to a spot to possibly get Victor some new tires for the rear, because we're pulling up to like an open lot, parking lot kind of thing to mess around, do some drifting, some other cars there. Owen is gonna put the RS in drift mode Is that...
If this rattle stops, then definitely, but...
There's a rattle in the back. We don't know what's going on. We're gonna check it out.
Check that out right now.
I didn't even know this car has drift mode, all-wheel drive drift mode. We're stopped at Texas Tire now. Bro, I don't think I've ever seen a Cherokee Trackhawk.
That's what they are. They're Cherokees.
No, I know they are, but I've never seen one in person. So the M3 and the Focus have new tires in the back, ready to shred. We're about to head out to the spot to start drifting, messing around. Big shout out to Texas Tires for hooking this up. We're at the spot. This is crazy. You can see the tire marks have already started. That thing's swinging around. We're about to take this Fox body out. Let's see what it does. Yo, this thing hooks.
It hooks, and there's no power steering, so this is gonna be 10 times harder. Woo! There we go.
God damn.
We lost the steering wheel.
Sorry?
Dude, the steering wheel, like...
Now we got power steering.
Guys, I'm turning all the way to the left. I think the steering wheel came loose.
I think Victor's M3 is going out right now, but I don't think it's Victor driving. This thing looks friggin' beautiful in black, all black. This is the car that I was filming in earlier. We had an issue with the steering, but I think he fixed it. Oh my God. You're good! Oh my God. It turns out the steering did not get fixed. Yo! I think that concludes our drift session here. I just want to give a big shout out again to Texas Tires because that is who owns this whole lot. And we're actually going to head over and check out his own little like private car collection he's got, which apparently is pretty nuts. But let me just show you guys. Let me turn the camera around. Look at how beautiful the sunset is here. Yeah, but yeah, that was fun. I think we burned a good amount of rubber today. Like these are black, dark ass strips. Oh man, but let's go check out some more cool cars. This is the outside of his shop. This might be the craziest property I've ever been on. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what's inside yet. Starting with this beautiful NSX. I love this color combo. Then we have an FDRX7. I mean, just listen. I mean, this collection, like, dude, this guy had such nice taste, and all of these cars get driven. Nothing actually just sits. You get an R33 GTR, so it's right-hand drive. I don't even know, man. Like, these trucks, a lot of those cars, wow. Yeah, I mean, I'm forgetting what I even saw here. I'm at a loss for words. This thing was pushing like 800 horsepower. We got every gen Viper, and then a Viper truck to the left. This thing is Coyote swapped. It's not a real Cobra, though, but still really cool. Ford Lightning. Oh, ACR. That gray Viper is a Calvo Viper. It's 1300 wheel. Sounds ridiculous. This thing was cool too. This is Pro Charge, I think he said. Such a cool looking bike. all those cars, believe it or not, are only 3.2 million USD. I thought it'd be more, but again, I just want to give a huge thanks to Texas Tires for hosting us today and hanging out with us, and you know, just a legend of an owner, legend of a guy. Super successful, super nice, so generous. Can't say enough good things about him. I'm just grateful to be here in Texas and have such a good time with my friends, and you know, lots of cool cars and crazy stuff going on. We still got a few more days of the trip. Our main event is going to be in a few days, so there should be a second video, part 2 of this Texas trip coming to the channel. Thanks to you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.